have spent numerous hours researching hundreds of user reviews to bring you this best rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Introducing the second generation Atomi Smart Wi-Fi Tower Heater. Control your heater right from your phone, wherever you are, using the free Atomi Smart app. Or control the smart heater using simple voice commands with Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Alexa, turn on heater. The smart heater's 360-degree tip-over safety switch automatically shuts off the heater if tipped over and instantly sends you a phone notification. The Cool Touch housing and handle allows for easy movability, and with overheat protection, your home is always safe. The powerful yet whisper-quiet heater quickly heats up using its ceramic heating technology. The Atomi Smart Wi-Fi Tower Heater, the smart and safe way to keep your rooms warm.
Why we like this product. And these are rating for this product.